Use of locks. Many people don't worry about a good lock until their house is robbed. There's a tendency to ignore preventive measures until it's too late. Today, let's talk about locks, often overlooked. Locks on machinery are essential. When locked, it prevents someone from starting it. Many accidents happen when someone starts a machine while someone else is repairing it. We often hear, "I didn't know someone was there." We need proper procedures to lock machines. Common mistakes with locks. Not using locks. A worker shuts off the switch but doesn't lock it. Locking one lock onto another. One worker locks it, and another mistakenly adds their own lock. If the first worker removes their lock, confusion happens. This causes loss of control. Leaving the key in the lock. Leaving the key in defeats the purpose. Always remove the key and store it properly. Asking someone to place the lock. Never ask someone else to place your lock. Each person is responsible for their own lock. When you ask someone else to place it, you assume it's done right. What if they are delayed? The machine stays unsafe. Proper lock use is everyone's responsibility. Use locks properly to protect yourself and others. Never ask others to place or remove them for you. If asked, refuse. Remember, don't be so busy cutting wood that you forget to sharpen the axe. No repair is worth skipping the lock on the switch. Always use locks correctly. No lock on your belt will prevent accidents if it's not on the switch.